I ate my breakfast 7:30.
What's your breakfast?
Tsaka cereal.
Oh, cereal. Nice. With milk? Or with Milo?
Yes.
Noodles.
Sir, milk.
Milk.
Milk, sir.
And so while waiting for the others, let's have a short recap muna on our discussions. So,
Oh, that's a lot.
yeah. So last week, or our first week's lesson, is the visualizing and identifying numbers up to 100,000. So we're already done with the number disk. We're already done with the number disk. So the steps in creating your number disk or representing numbers using number disk are already done. So step 1 is to determine the place value. So we have already determined the place value of each number up to 100,000. Di ba? Then create a table and then use number disk to represent each place value. So every year naman, yan yung ginagawa nyo. So you are creating a representation of that value. So ayan. So for example, we have this one. 1 is for 10,000. That the value of it is 10,000. 2 for thousands. The equivalent of it is 2,000. And then this for hundreds, we have 300s. That is 300. We have 6 disc for tens. That is 60. And we have 4 ones. That is 4. Therefore, if you sum it up, meron tayong 12,364. Ayan. So lesson 2 is this, place value up to 100,000. We have here ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000 and 100,000. So ayan, so 6 na. So we can read it as 136,289, I should say. Ayan. Ayan. So there's no need to elaborate this one. So basta, how many zeros are there in 10? Tens digit?
8.
How many zeros are there in tens digit? We have? Hindi yan.
1.
1. How about in hundreds? How many zeros are there?
2.
How about thousands? How many zeros are there? We have?
3.
3. How about in 10,000? How many zeros?
4.
4. How about in 100,000? How many zeros are there? There is 5. Tama? Ayan. So let's try to know, or let's try to find the place value and the value of the underlying digit. We have 8.
Tenths.
That is tens. And what is the value? That is
80.
80. How about 6? How about 6? For number 2, we have?
60,000.
What's the place value first? What is the place value? That is?
10,000.
10,000. How about the value?
60,000.
This is 60,000. How about for 7? Number 3? This one? This is thousands. What is the value? 7,000. How about for 5? I mean for number 4. We have 5. This is?
Once.
100.
Hundreds.
100.
Oh, so what is the value of it?
500.
500.
This is 500. How about for number 5? This is
One.
ones. What is the value?
Ones.
4.
4. How about for number 6?
100,000.
100,000. What is the value?
100.
100,000. How about for number 7? We have 1. That is tens. How about the value?
10.
Tens. How about for number 8?
100,000.
100,000.
100,000, and the value of it is 100. How about for number 9? This is
1,000.
1,000. So this is the value.
7,000.
7,000. How about for number 10? This is 100,000. What is the value?
800.
800,000. Ayan, very good. So, well done. We can now proceed to reading and writing numbers 200,000. So, last meeting, we already tackled this one. Ayan, so let's try to have an example. So, this is the standard form. Ayan, ito yung standard form natin. This is the expanded form. So, yan. So, adding zeros na lang tayo. Pero I already shortcut it. So, let's try to read. Number 1, who wants to read?
Me.
So, raise your hand if you want to recite. Okay, Krishani. Now for number 1.
67,981.
So that is 67,981. So, lower hand. For number 2, who wants to try? Raise your hand. Not in the video. You Zoom. Jillian.
42,107.
Okay, very good. That's 42,107. How about Daniel Ram, number 3?
89,336.
89,346. How about Vince for number 4?
Number 4, 356,905.
Okay, very good. That's 356,905. How about for Isabella, number 5?
800,000.
That's Isabella? Can you repeat your answer?
I don't know.
That's 800.
19,000.
19,000.
70.
70. So can we hear it from you, Isabella? Isabella?
8,000.
Huh? 800?
819,070.
Okay, that's 819,070. Okay. Okay, so let's go now to rounding off numbers up to 10,000. So in rounding out numbers, ayan, so using, wait lang. In rounding off numbers is one way of making numbers simple. So it is easier to work with them. So rounding numbers or rounding off numbers end in 0 and are used to give estimates. So it is an approximate of the original number. So it can be done in different ways. So number 1, we have using a number line. So let's try to round off 52,177 to the nearest thousands. So sa nearest thousands, we have the number 52,177 is between Sino?
Hindi pa daw po siya kumuha ng 1, 2, 3. Ngayon lang daw po siya pupunta.
Sabi mo kay Kuya Aldrin.
Hindi po, pinapatawag na po kayo.
Live ako eh. Mamaya. Sabi mo mamaya. 5 minutes. Dela. Abay, surrender. Ayan. So, using the number line, we have 52,177 is between 52,000, tama, and 53,000. Nasa gitna lang siya, di ba? But obviously, saan siya mas malapit? Sa 53,000 ba or sa 52?
52.
52. Therefore, our answer must be 52,000. Di ba? So, using the place value naman tayo. So, using the place value, when the number to the right of the place value we are rounding off is 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0, we round down. Ibig sabihin, mag-i-stay siya sa number niya. While we have 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5, we round it up. So, ibig sabihin, kapag ang katabi niya is numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, we're going to add 1. Pero kapag 4, 3, 2, 1 lang, the number will stay. So for example, rounding off 52,177 to the nearest thousands. So saan ba, anong number ang nearest thousands natin? We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So anong number tayo?
52,000.
So anong number natin sa thousands?
52,000.
2.
2,000.
Therefore, ano yung katabi niya? Sa right. Is it 1 or 5? Right tayo, right.
1.
1. So yung 1 natin, nasa round down ba tayo or round up?
Round down.
Round down. Therefore, since the number to the right is 1, anong gagawin natin? Round down. So, magdadagdag ba tayo ng 1 sa 2 or stay na tayo?
Stay.
Stay at
Stay.
2. Therefore, our answer would become 52,000. Let's try to have more examples. So, rounding off 33,628 to the nearest thousands place. So, tingnan natin. So, ano yung katabi ng 3? To the right, we have 6. Tama? So, are we going to round up or down?
Round up.
Round up. So, therefore, magdadagdag tayo ng 1 or hindi?
Dadagdag.
Magdadagdag. Therefore, 3 plus 1 is
4.
4. Therefore, ang magiging sagot natin is 34,000. So, yung 3 natin, nadagdagan ng 1. Nakuha?
Yes po, sir.
Another example. So, rounding off 43,479 to the nearest 10,000 naman tayo. So 10,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So ano yung katabi ni 4? We have
3.
3. Since 3 lang siya, therefore are we going to round up or down?
Down.
Down. So mag-i-stay tayo or magdadagdag ng 1?
Stay.
Stay. Therefore, we have 40,000. So as you can see, lahat ng to the right niya becomes 0.
Row.
Ayan. Therefore, the answer is 40,000. Nakuha? Ayan. So let's try this one. Rounded 6,793 to the nearest thousand. So ang thousands natin is si 6. 6. Sorry. So, ano yung katabi ni 6? Is it round up or round down?
Round up.
Round up. Therefore, 6 becomes
7.
7. Therefore, kaya siya naging 7,000.
Thousand.
How about for number 4? We have 25,135. To the nearest thousands pa din. We have 5. So, ano yung katabi niya? Is it round up or round down?
Round down.
Round
Down. Or magpo-plus pa tayo ng 1 or not?
No.
No. Therefore,
Stay.
are we going to stay at 5?
Stay.
Are we going to stay at 5?
Yes.
Yes.
Stay.
Therefore, the answer is
Stay.
25,000. How about number 5? Rounded 15,000 to the nearest 10,000 is 20,000. Tama ba? Let's try.
Yes.
So, 10,000 daw. We have 1s, 10s, 100,000. Ang 10,000 natin is 1. Ano yung katabi niya to the right? You have
5.
5. So, are we going to round up or down?
Round up.
Round
up.
up. So, si 1 magiging
2.
2. Therefore, the answer is 20,000.
Thousand.
So let's try to have here applier skills. If you truly understand the lesson. So let's try round off the given numerals, then shade the oblong that gives the correct answer. Wait lang, check natin. O yan, 1 to 5. So let's try first, Jillian.
46,000.
The answer is
46,000.
46,000. Bakit? Kasi yung 5 natin nag-round up. Ayan. So, shade natin to. Ayan, hindi ko siya ma-shade. Basta yan. Ayan. For number 2, we have Vince. Read the number first.
Number 2 is 76,984.
So, what's your answer?
77,000.
Okay, very good. That's 77,000. Ayan, so may nag-shade na.
Kimmy.
Yeah.
I shade it.
Ayan. So, how about number 3? We have Daniel Rob. Daniel Rob? Daniel Rob for number 3?
8.
No. Why did she write on it?
Daniel Rob? Okay, so let's try to answer it. Let's read the number first. So that is
8.
Daniel Rob. Daniel Rob. I want Daniel Rob. So that is 80. Daniel?
Read the number.
Yes, that is 80.
87.
87,000.
632.
632. So, what is the round off of the given number? So, 87. Nasaan tayo? Nasa 8. Tama? Sa 8 tayo. Ano yung katabi niya? We have
7.
7. So, magra-round up tayo or down?
Round up.
Up.
Daniel Rob? Round? Daniel Rob? Round? Are we going to round up or down? Come on.
Up.
Up. So yung 8 mo magpa-plus ng 1. So 8 plus 1.
9.
9. Therefore, your answer would be 80,000 or 90,000?
90,000.
90,000. Okay, let's try. Krishani, for number 4. Read the number first.
7.
Read the number first.
67,553.
67,553. Round it to the nearest thousands. So your answer would be
68,000.
68,000. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Next, we have Jillian Kyle. So for number 5. Ayan, so we have
38,193.
that's 38,193. So therefore, our answer would be, or your answer would be
40,000.
40,000. Okay, very good. So that is 40,000. So understood?
Yes,
Yes.
po, sir.
Okay, so any more question regarding rounding of numbers up to 10,000?
No po, sir.
No po, sir.
Okay. So this afternoon, we're going to have new lessons na naman. So I will be posting this video on our on our Edmodo. So you can watch this later, not Facebook.
Teacher,
Sorry about that. So later, we're going to discuss
Time.
more lessons. So we're going to meet
time, teacher?
2 o'clock.
What time is it po?
2 o'clock.
O'clock.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so see you later.
When we're done.
Yes po, sir.
2 o'clock. Okay?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. So see you later.
Should the same meeting ID passcode?
Yes, it is the same. It's the same.
Bye.
Okay, so see you later. Bye.
Bye-bye, sir. Thank you po.
Bye-bye.
Is the math
Thank you
worksheet
po.
now already available?
Yes,
Yes, I have it. I have
it's
it.
already available.
I have it.
It's
It's already
here.
available.
I have it already.
Yeah.
Look, sir.
I don't
Write science is down.
I don't have math and science.
Math and science?
Sir,
I
you
have.
will that.
Look, I have already.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, so see you later.